Welcome to Raw Perfect classes. I am Rachna Rana. Today's topic is computer network. These are the contents of computer network. First is what is computer network. Second, advantages of distributed processing. Third is the components of computer network. Now, first of all, I am going to discuss about what is a computer network. Computer network is a set of devices which connected through the links. And what do you mean by the device? Device can be computer, printer or any other device which is capable to send or receive the data. And the links connecting the devices are known as communication channels. Now, next is a distributed processing. Distributed processing means computer network uses the distributed processing in which work is divided among many computers. Means a single computer does not handle multiple tasks while many computers handle the task. Now next is the advantages of distributed processing. These are the advantages. First is security, second faster problem solving, third is security through the redundancy. Now first point is security. Security means it provides limited interaction that a user can have with whole system. For example, a bank allows the users to access their own accounts through the ATM without allowing them to access the bank's entire database. So we can say that it's a security. It provides the security to all the users. Second, faster problem solving. Multiple computers can solve the problem faster than a single computer. Third is security through the redundancy. Multiple computers running the same program at the same time, and it can provide security through the duplicacy. For example, if 6 computers run the same program and any computer has a hardware error, then other computers can override that problem. So we can say that a distributed processing provides security, faster problem solving, and third advantages, it provides security through the redundancy. Thus, we can say that computer network is a group of computers which are connected with each other through wires, optical fibers or optical links so that many computers can interact with each other through a network. The main target of computer network is the sharing of resources among various devices. There are many networks which change from simple to complex. Now I am discussing about what are the components of the computer network. These are the components of computer network. First is hub, second switches, third modem, fourth router, fifth cables and connectors, sixth network interface card. Now first of all discussing about hub. Hub is a central device which divides the network connection into many devices. When computer sends any request for knowing any type of information, then that request first of all goes to the hub. Then hub distributes that request to all the computers which are connected with it so that we can get the information. Now next is the switches. This is a switch. It is a networking device that groups all the devices over the network so that we can transfer the data to another device. We can say that switch is better than the hub because hub cannot broadcast the message over the network. It can only send the message to that device which is connected with it, while switch sends the message directly from source to destination. Now next is a modem. This is a modem. It connects the computer to internet over the existing telephone line. Means modem is used with existing telephone line for internet using. A modem cannot integrate with the computer motherboard because it is a separate part of the PC slot which found on the motherboard. Now next is a router. This is a router. It is a device that connects the LAN to the internet. The router is mainly which is used to connect the different networks or connect the internet to multiple computers. Now next is a cables and connectors. Cable is a transmission media that transmits the communication signals. Cables are divided into further three parts: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. Twisted pair cable means it is a high speedable cable which transmits the data over 1 GB per second or more. And coaxial cable just like a TV installation cable, and it is more expensive as compared to twisted pair cable. It is more high data transmission. It's more high data transmission speed as compared to twisted pair cable. And third is a fiber optic cable. It also high speed cable. It sends the data through light beams. It's more expensive and as compared to coaxial cable or twisted pair cable. So it is installed at the government level. And last is a network interface card. It is a device that helps the computer to communicate with another device. The network interface card contains the hardware address. Means it contains hardware address, the data link layer protocol which use the hard address to identify the system on the network so that it transfers the data to correct destination. And there are two types of the network interface card. First is a wireless, second is a wired. And wireless network interface card means these cards are used in modern laptops, and it creates the connection by using antennas that employs the radio wave technology. And wired network interface card use the cables, and it is used to transfer the data over the medium. Now today we are discussing about only what is a computer network and what are the advantages of distributed processing and what are the components of computer network. In next videos we will discuss about what are the uses of computer network and what are the different parts of computer network which are using in computer network. We will be discussed in further videos. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for further notifications. Thanks.